Hello everyone and welcome again to my YouTube channel. How to make compost easily in Nigeria is what we're talking about in this video today. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video on how to make compost easily in Nigeria. Composting is a great way to turn your food and garden waste into nutrient-rich soil for your plants. Not only is it good for your garden, but it's also good for the environment as it reduces the amount of waste going into landfills. Today, I'll be showing you a simple and effective way to make compost at home. Step number 1. Gather your materials to make compost. You need a few materials. These include organic waste such as vegetable and fruit scraps, eggshells and coffee grounds, dry leaves and grass clippings, a compost bin or a pile in a shaded area, and then you need water. Step number 2, layer your materials. Once you have your materials, it's time to start layering. Begin by adding a layer of dry leaves and grass clippings to the bottom of your compost bin or pile. This will help with drainage and aeration. Then add a layer of organic waste on top. Make sure to break up any large pieces to help speed up the composting process. Keep alternating between layers of organic waste and dry materials until your bin or pile is full. Step number 3, water your compost. After you've added your layers, it is important to water your compost. Aim to keep it moist, but not too wet. If it's too dry, the composting process will slow down. If it's too wet, it will start to smell and attract pests. Use a watering can or hose to water your compost thoroughly. Step number 4 is to turn your compost to speed up the composting process. Turn your compost in order to speed up the composting process. You need to turn your compost. This will help aerate the materials and promote decomposition. You can use a pitchfork or a compost turner to mix the materials around. Aim to turn your compost every 1 to 2 weeks. Step number 5. Wait and harvest your compost. Composting takes time, so be patient. Depending on the materials you are using, it can take anywhere from a few months to a year to get finished compost. Once it's ready, it should look dark and crumbly with a pleasant earthy smell. You can use it to fertilize your garden or potted plants. In conclusion, there you have it. A simple and effective way to make compost at home in Nigeria. Not only is it great for your plants, but it's also a sustainable way to reduce waste. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. And watch this next video that is popping up right now. See you soon.